crochet tutorial, mini earphone pouch. In just 5 minutes, you can learn to crochet this charming mini earphone pouch, which can be enlarged to fit various needs. Grab your friends and crochet together. Materials: 5 strands of cotton yarn, 3mm crochet hook, stitch markers. Step 1. Making the slip knot. 1. Hold the yarn with your left hand. 2. Place the crochet hook under the yarn, twist it counterclockwise, and loop the yarn over the hook. 3. Pull the yarn through the loop and tighten it to form a slip knot. Note, the slip knot does not count as a stitch. Step 2. Creating the chain base. 1. Yarn over, pull through to make a chain stitch, also called a slip stitch. 2. Use a stitch marker to mark the front side of the 2 loops. 3. Make 10 more chain stitches, totaling 11 chain stitches. 4. Place a stitch marker on the 11th chain stitch. 5. Add 3 additional chain stitches to act as a turning chain and the first double crochet. Step 3. Starting the first round. 1. Make another chain stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch with the marker, yarn over, and pull through. 2. Complete a double crochet DC by pulling through the first 2 loops, then the remaining 2 loops. 3. Chain 1, skip a stitch, and make a DC in the next stitch. 4. Continue this pattern, chain 1, skip a stitch, DC in the next, until reaching the stitch marker. 5. At the marker, make 4 sets of 1 DC and 1 chain stitch. Remove the marker. Step 4. Completing the first round. 1. Make 1 DC and 1 chain stitch in each DC from the previous round. 2. At the marker's location, make 2 sets of 1 DC and 1 chain stitch. 3. Remove the marker. 4. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the turning chain to finish the round. Step 5. Repeating the pattern. 1. For the next round, chain 4 counts as 1 DC and 1 chain stitch. 2. Continue making 1 DC and 1 chain stitch in each DC from the previous round. Slip stitch into the third chain of the turning chain after finishing the last set. 4. Repeat this pattern until completing 5 rounds. Step 6. Adding the handle. 1. After the 5th round, slip stitch into the third chain of the turning chain. 2. Chain 1, make a single crochet in the same stitch and continue with SC in each space and DC. For the handle, count 4 spaces from the left and make 9 SCs. 4. Repeat on the opposite side. 5. Slip stitch into the first SC to close the round. Step 7. Finishing touches. 1. Make a round of slip stitches around the handle. 2. Finish the round, cut the yarn, and pull it through the first slip stitch. 3. Hide the yarn tail inside the fabric. Final step. Congratulations, you've completed your mini earphone pouch. Enjoy your new handmade accessory.